Hello dear friends! In this video I will show you a natural way to heal insect bites. If the person has severe swelling, throat tightness, hives or shortness of breath, go to a medical center immediately. If not, you can use these natural methods. The first thing you need is a sugar cube. After that, you will need vinegar and then honey. Always use diluted vinegar. That is 1 part vinegar mixed with 2 parts water. The first step is to remove the insect sting, if it is still in the skin. Let's say my hand was bitten by an insect right here. One fast way to improve insect bites is using sugar cube. For this, you need a few sugar cubes and a little water. Soak the sugar in water until it becomes slightly wet, then place it on the bite. If water is not available, in emergency situations, you can put the sugar in your mouth so it mixes with your saliva. The sugar should look like this, and you should place it on the bite. After about 1 minute, remove it and place a new sugar cube on the bite. You can repeat this several times. This method works best if used within the first 30 minutes after the bite. It can pull out a large amount of insect toxin and significantly reduce pain and itching. Sugar has a very high concentration. When slightly wet sugar is placed on the bite, it creates a concentration difference between the sugar and the skin. This pulls fluids and part of the insect toxin toward the sugar, helping to reduce swelling, pain, and itching. Repeat this several times until the pain and itching are reduced. After using sugar, apply vinegar. Do not use it on sensitive skin or open wounds. If it causes strong burning, wash it off immediately. Vinegar is acidic and mildly disinfecting. It helps reduce burning and itching, prevents surface infection, and calms inflammation in the early hours after a bite. After vinegar, you can apply a small amount of honey to the bite every few hours. Honey has natural anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and healing properties. It helps reduce redness, swelling, and itching, protects the skin from infection, and helps the skin heal faster. Please write your health concerns in the comments. Future videos will be made about them.